You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elyon, Educational Consult. I solve technical drawing question. Today we'll be looking at the application of the principle of tangency in drawing a doorknob, as you can see on the left side of your screen. Now we are going to be producing this to the given specification. We are given the following specification: the center to be radius 38. So I'm going to be starting by drawing a center line before I draw my radius. So we draw a line. We draw a line this way, 18 line that way. So we get the center C, as you can see. So I'll produce that. So this is my C, and we are told that the radius from the center C there, as you can see, is 3.8. So I'm going to measure 3.8. That is 38 to millimeter. So place at this point to draw a circle. So I produce this down. All right. So you can see that from the center of the circle to the end of the doorknob is 64. So I will measure 64 from my ruler. That is 6.4 centimeter. So this way. And I draw this. Then from the other side to the right, you can see we have 33. So 33 to this side. So I'm going to measure 3.3. This way. Now produce a vertical line. This way, as you can see. So the next thing we are going to be drawing now, you see C3, that is the next center given to us there, to be radius of 15. So I'll measure 1.5 from my ruler. That is 15 centimeter to centimeter. So I'm going to be placing that here to draw. But before we do that, if you look at it very well, look at the diagram on the left hand side. We are given the space, a space of 10 centimeter. I mean 10 millimeter. That is 1 centimeter. That is the point where C3 will stop. So I'm going to be taking that point now. That point is very vital. So before I draw my C3, so this is my 10. So as you can see from the diagram given to us from the left hand side, so I'm going to produce this line now. Okay, so that is when I will draw my center C 3 1.5, so these are 1.5. so the pointed part of your pencil should be placed on this point here. So we're going to be producing a circle like this. Okay, a semicircle is enough just to meet that 2 points there. So now we'll be coming to the end of the knob here. You can see the height there is 38, so I'm going to be taking that now, 38. So if we divide 38 into 2, we are going to be having 1.9, 1.9, 1.9 to the top here, then 1.9 down, that is 38 there. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be drawing my line across like this from that point. Just draw across. Okay. So across that way. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to be drawing the point of tangency, applying the principle of tangency. So we are going to be adding the radius of the circle here, which is 38, plus the radius of the tangent. So I'm going to quickly do that now. We say 38 plus the radius of the tangent, which is 25. So this is 3, this is 63. So I'm going to extend my compass to 6.3, 6.3. Here we go, 6.3 this way. Okay, so I'll place at the center of the circle because the tangent is touching the bigger circle. So I'm going to be having this for both the top and the down, like that. I hope you can see that, the point to get the tangent, and we are told that the radius of the tangent there is 25. So I'm going to be taking 25 from the ruler, which is the radius of the tangent there. This is 25. Okay, I'll place at that point, at any point there, at the pencil tip here. So move it down that point. Then I'm going to be drawing to meet that circle. So that part should be thick, so I will just take it out at once. So you need to be careful in doing that. So I will do for the other side as well. I'll do for this side as well. The pencil tip should be at this part. Then we'll draw this. So there we have it. Then the next thing I will do, I will take out my circle. Then when I take it out, I'm going to stop here. Okay, I hope you can see that. So you patiently do that. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be having now, I'm going to join this. As you can see from the diagram, given question, you have this. Drawn out. So the next part now is to take out this. So we are given this, so we just take the measurement again. 15, that's 1.5. so we place at this point here. So we have this. Okay, then we have this part. Taken out, then no measurement for this, so any convenient distance from there. So we have this. Okay, so here is my door knob drawn to the given specification. Please, if you find this video helpful, you like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when you have a new video. Thank you very much. God bless you.